Say hi, Daddy.
Yes. Ma?
So hi guys, today we are going paddle boating. I think that's what you call it, I don't know. But yes, we are going paddle boating. It is currently 11:04, 4 minutes past 11, and we are leaving the house.
Yeah, can you present?
Yo. And let's not forget the queen. Yes. And here's Bokang. This is Bokang. You guys said you wanted to see him again in my channel, so I brought him back. I listened to the viewers. Yes guys, so like I was saying, we're gonna go paddle boating and we are walking there. If you know me, you know I don't really do exercise, so this is the exercise for, you know, 2020. But yes, I'm just waiting for the rest of the family because I'm ahead of their time. And like I'm living your responsibility. Skinny boys worldwide. How you? Like, you should have skinny boys worldwide. Like. Okay guys, so unlike Bokang, I'm a very shy. Shy blogger. So
Wow, for the first time ever. You're a clown for real. guys, stop playing.
Why are we going back?
You know what it is? Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Hey. Oh, what's going on?
Showing us the wrong direction.
Guys, what's going on?
Ask Lebu. You know Lebu's showing us this direction.
Lebu, let's go there. We also want to go there. Chief.
I was trying to do. Yes, guys. This is us. This is my vlog. Where you guys? Yes, guys. So as we're going boat paddling. So yeah. The worst at tag teaming, I'll tell you that.
We pretty much had a chill day. We went to the river or waterfall thing. I took a young hike, and then from there, what did we do? We went to the beach again and we swam. No wait, we first did the pedal boating thing in the waterfall, and then we went to the beach again and we swam. And then from there, what did we do? Oh, we came back to the resort and then we started swimming in the pool again. So today was pretty much chilled vibes, you know, chilling, relaxing, having one last time because it's summer and all. So yeah, today we pretty much didn't really do much in a sense. But yeah, that was pretty much the day. But yeah, guys, let's talk about how you've been liking the Vlogmas series, Hot Boy Summer. Just let me know what you guys think about it and what are your thoughts, what I could improve on, you know what it is. And just like and subscribe and do all the nice things. Alright, thanks guys, enjoy the rest of the day. Episode 4, let's go, Hot Boy Summer.
Guys, Bokang is sleeping, like he is sleeping in the sun. In the sun. I don't know how he's going to create content for you guys in this state. Like he's God. Look. Can you make it up?
Yeah. No. Yeah. it do, guys? So we just finished playing putt golf, mini golf, you know. And yeah, it was pretty fun. And we played a few rounds, tallied up the scores. My mom won. Can you believe it? My own mother did the most. He killed us all. You know what it is. So yeah, guys, that was it pretty much. So much love. See you tomorrow for episode 5 of Hot Boy Summer. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, do the most. See you tomorrow. Peace.